they learn from each other. The third graders learn the concept of Tiger Challenge, but my kids learn the concept of they're the role models. And you know, sometimes kids don't get to be role models, and I think a lot of them really enjoy that.
Before we start, I'm going to teach you guys something. If you hear anyone in the stage say Tiger, then you respond by yelling challenge and get really quiet. Okay, let's test it out. Tiger!
I just love the third graders' energy. They get so excited to learn about it, and it just makes me happy to see like how they buy into it.
Hey, I think we need to pick up our trash. You're right. No one's left to pick up after us.
Yes, bringing the third graders up on stage was the idea of one of my classes, I think like 5 years ago, because we felt like we were the ones on stage and they weren't really a part of the assembly. And we've done it various ways. Now we've kind of gone to Tiger Trail, and that's worked out really well because the kids are actively a part, and we choose one kid from every single classroom of the third grade classes. So each teacher gets to nominate a student for us to bring up on stage. For them to be able to do what they do in front of all these wild and crazy third graders, it's pretty amazing, and I'm so proud of them.
Cha-cha again.
I thought it was a lot of fun last year, so I wanted to be more involved and give them a fun day.
Take it back, man, y'all. Two hops, two hops.